Today we're going to have a look at arrays. So let's have a look at our challenges. All right, we're going to make, your challenge is to make an array with these strings, this, that, and everything. So there you go, there's your first challenge. If not, pause now and have a go. If not, let's do it. So here we go. My array equals, so use the square brackets, and then you can use the single or the double inverted commas, this, and then a comma, that, comma, this, that, and everything. And press enter, done. All right, next challenge. Print that in the array. Okay, so have a look at the array. Now, how they're numbered and how to find the objects that are in them, you count like this: 0, 1, 2, 3. So we want that, so it's 0, 1. So we want the one object, and the easiest way to get that is using those square brackets again and put a 1 in it. Press enter, and that prints that. All right, next challenge. Remember, after all these challenges, try and do them yourself. You'll get more out of it, eh? All right, good. So we've got change everything to everyone. And I don't care if you look up on the net how to do it, so you might like change everything to everyone. Like maybe you'd look up on Google how to change objects in array, and make sure you put Python after it. Okay, here we go. Let's change it. So my array, so we have to change everything to everyone. Okay, now what object is that? So what number is it? 0, 1, 2, 3. So we want number 3. Now to change it, it's just using assignment. So we do that and put everyone in there, press enter. And to check it, just print it again, that you've done it right. This, that, and everyone. So it's been changed. Awesome. What's next? Make a string array with the value everyone. Okay. All right, let's make a string array. Okay, my string. Now within Python, a string is an array. So there we go. That's my string array. I might make this more descriptive. There we go. Press enter. Now we've got a my string array that's equal to everyone. That's that challenge. Next one. Print the seventh thing in everyone. Okay, print the seventh letter in everyone. Okay, so let's have a look at that. So they're numbered the same as this array. So we've got 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's printing the E. All right, let's do that. I'm going to copy this just to make sure if you don't have the right thing, you're going to get into trouble. Here we go, and press enter. Awesome, that printed E. So mess around with that one, that's pretty fun. Last bit, this one's very tricky. Change the letter Y to a D. Okay, so looks very weird down the bottom there. Like I might put some inverted commas around my challenges next time. Change the Y to D. Okay, that's what I mean. All right, now this one's really tricky. What you have to do is treat this as a list, because you can't just go like before. I'll show you. If I just do this, grab this. Just going to copy it and make it equal to E. Oh no, it's already E. Let's do a D. All right, we get an error. So what we have to do is we have to turn this into a list. So let's do that. I'm just going to go, I'm going to cheat a little bit. Like here, this is how you do it. My list string. I'll show you how you do it. You go list, and in there you put your string. So we want everyone. And that's one way to do it. Another way, I'd change the original value, but let's just do that for now. So my list string, so here it is. Now all we have to do is, we can do the assignment thing. So we're going to change the O to, no, the Y to a D. And that will say ever done. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we want the fourth one and change it to D. Whoops. Make sure it's a string. There we go. Enter. And let's check it. Print that out. Ever done. Now it's a list, so it's like an array. So yeah, another challenge would be how to turn that back into a string. An idea that pops in my head is a for loop and add it to a string, like append it. Even convert it back into a string. Let's try that. Let's see. And the list, just convert it, make it back into a string. Okay, so it's still just a list. I'll have a look at that, and you know, you too, do some research. Like, just you'll get questions and things that you'll want to explore, and that's the whole fun of programming. So I've sort of opened up some doors there. How would you turn a list back into a string? I might have a quick look now and show you like before, rather than chucking you in the deep end. So let's go convert list to string. Yeah, that's it. That one there. But I want to make sure it's for Python. There we go. There we go. Let's try that. So where's our list? See, there's that for loop I was talking about. So you iterate through each one, and then like probably join it. Oh, here we go, join. There we go. That's a good one. Let's try that. Join. Is that going to work? Oh, what are you doing? Oh, you can't just do join. I don't want to join that. Join S. Okay, S. Convert list. Yep. So that's with numbers, that one. Use a map. I'll just try the for list, the for loop. It's the most easiest to do. I'll show you how to join that back together. I thought it'd be easier, but this is interesting. I wonder if you can do a for loop in this. I haven't tried this before. So for I in this, I'll put it there. Because you can't do enter and do new line, you'd have to open up a new file. I'll try it. Oh, there we go, it does work. There we go. And what I'm going to do is add all of that into another variable. So this will be my combine string. Let's try that. Be careful of str. Might use the full thing. And what we'll do, I'm going to try just plus equals. There we go. And we press enter. Is that going to run? Combine strings not defined yet. Okay. Let's create that. Equals nothing. Okay, and then I'm going to try this again. Okay, let's have a look. Combine. No, I don't want that. But I don't crash the ID. Here we go. Print it. Oh wow, awesome. There you go. So yeah, a bit of fun. Simple for loop and adding. So what this for loop does is it goes through this string array or list let's say list, because that's what it is. And it's first you have to create the variable that you're adding each character from that to that. See you soon.